Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentence. First, garden. My garden is very big. Second, lazy. Vishal is a lazy boy. Third, frog. My frog is red in color. Fourth, crow. The crow is very thirsty. Fifth, king. The king is very kind. Sixth, festival. Holi is my favorite festival. Seventh, hot. Tea is very hot. Eight, book. I like to read book. Ninth, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. 10th, cat. Cat is a pet animal.